project as best I can. I guess we might consider this our own personal night at the museum. Smithsonian too, but this will not be a battle. This is about bridge building.
Right.
But in one of the most interesting, compelling, and controversial areas of science for many people in the U.S. and abroad. I'm Rick Koch. I'm the curator of the David H. Koch Hall of Human Origins, and I direct the what's called the Human Origins program here at the Smithsonian's Natural History Museum. I founded the program, this research program, and with its education, outreach, and exhibition aspects to it in 1985. I, in a sense, left the comfort of that I had known for many, many years as a student and as an assistant professor, that is, academia. I was at a pretty decent place to teach at Yale University, and I decided that I should perhaps leave to come to the Smithsonian, the U.S. National Museum, because I felt it was quite important to bring the vibrant scientific discoveries that were informing scientists, researchers, about the emergence of human characteristics, the emergence of a large fossil record that was detailing aspects of our evolutionary tree, and to bring those discoveries from out behind the classroom walls, and to make sure that there was a public space where people could engage the fossils, the archaeological evidence, the genetic studies that were then just emerging, so that regardless of whatever perspective we may come to that subject with, that there was at least some place to gain access to that information. And it was at 25 years, however, with an enormous boom in the number of fossil and archaeological discoveries. And that made it seemed to me even more important in this flurry of activity, of research, where it's often reported in newspapers as such and such a fossil find or discovery overturns everything you ever heard about human evolution, that maybe we should make this stuff available and have a touchstone, a place where the public could come and see not only the backbone of the story that was emerging from the evidence, but also see when things change, how the exhibition changes. We'll also see when we go in there, right in the center area, a place called What's Hot in Human Origins, which, as many of you may know, when an article comes out in Nature or Science or Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, it's embargoed to a special time on a particular day when it is announced, and we usually get those papers for review and for public discussion several days before, and so we make sure that the minute the embargo is lifted, it's up on our screen there so the public can come in to see what the latest discoveries are and how it affects the exhibition. We also, the Smithsonian is very dedicated to updating the exhibit on a regular basis, and that can include changing out particular panels and things as this vibrant field and booming field of discovery continues and provides ongoing refinements and understandings from a scientific perspective about human origins. Provocative and compelling question. What does it mean to be human? We do not call the hall. The Smithsonian will tell you what it means to be human. We leave the theme as a question, not an answer. And this is in planning. The planning of that question is to invite people to bring the wide diversity of perspectives informed by religion, philosophy, the arts and literature, everyday experience that people have when they engage in this subject. And the only place where we directly engage that theme in the hall is in the central area of the hall. This is what we call, in a sense, the destination of the hall, where we ask for the public's ideas. Please tell us what are your ideas about what it means to be human. And we've accumulated vast numbers of responses, as you can imagine, since March 17. And except for certain ones that are really inappropriate, we post them all on our website, and you can see them.